Cooper Car Show, September 7th, 2024. It's rare I go to car shows to see the cars I often already see, but sometimes there are cars I really don't expect. Often shows are meant for a community benefit. The Cooper Car Show benefited the local library. Most car shows are honestly just simply fun for local community, good people getting together. The Cooper Car Show was decent in size, I think 70 or 80 really good cars. So I want to show you what it was all about. Here we go. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Hope you like this nice little car show video. Please like and subscribe. Follow my Facebook page, which is open 24/7. I have my YouTube channel with hundreds of car travel and other fun stuff. Please browse through when you get the time. Cooper, Texas is a little north and a good ways east of Dallas, Texas. Nestled between Greenville, Paris, and Sulphur Springs on Highway 154, the town square has a lot of good parking, making it a great place for these smaller car shows and meets. Which there is, by the way, a Cooper car meet every first Sunday at 3 p.m. spring through fall. This was a 1987 or older cars and trucks show. All proceeds went to the Delta County Public Library. 26 classes, first and second place for each class, plus Best of Show Car, Best of Show Truck, Club Award, and Mayor's Pick. All of which was arranged and run by Gabby's Auto Show Promotions. The two wonderful major sponsors were C4 Fitness and the great Murray's Speed Shop, a wonderful hot rod shop. Time for a walkthrough of most of the show to give you an idea of what it was like. This will take a little more than 4 minutes. There were some seriously beautiful cars. Although it was a smaller show, it still had some major contenders. Some that I will cherry pick and introduce the owners of in a little bit here. If you live close or close enough and want to show your car or truck or even bike, then please consider this show next year. There are plenty of places to hide from the sun, good places to eat all around, even police, fire department, and EMS around the corner. And it's quiet and laid back. You know, you just can't ask for much better than that. give a shout out to many of the people I know and met. Murray's Speed Shop. Shane Murray is the owner and mastermind. He can do great upholstery as well as a full build. He knows a lot. Grew up in racing with his dad, Rick Murray. Rick has a long car and truck history, believe me, as does Ray. Ray is another fun, all-around capable guy. Then there's Randy Lynch, who is the shop hand and, well, lends a hand. Loves helping out and knows a lot. Then there's the awesome Alex that has a great wealth of knowledge and enjoys car builds like no other. Always working, helping his family and friends with every breath he takes. And let's remember there's also Justin. He does a wonderful job. He is a great bunch of help. And speaking of bunch, this is really a great bunch of guys. I have to mention a new acquaintance, Kevin. He took his 1970 Superbird as well as a few other notable cars. His Superbird will be featured in an upcoming video. I continue with Randy Pendleton, Studebaker truck. Then Ben Dillard, Chevy Belair. Cecil Tubb, the painter, 54 Belair 4-door. And Ken's Impala, a beautiful car. Been in it, love it. Mike Duplichan, Chevy truck. And the very fast Jordan Stewart in his amazing Challenger that he races. Cool guy. All right, now, who do the Cooper car meets? That's John and Courtney. Not sure if they showed their truck. Scott Singleton, with his truck, he organizes the Sulphur Springs car meets quite often. And then a full lineup of vehicles from the Pecan Gap gang. Notably, Connie, always out with her camera. She has the Camaro. And man, they really have a great lineup of cars, and they are all very enjoyable people. Next up is Tom. He has magnificent cars. Here he's got the beautiful green Mercury. Way to go, Tom. Robin, who is a acquaintance at the show, had the beautiful red truck. Lonnie, who owns Chrome Pony, the bike shop in Paris, Texas. And of course, your local EMS folks were out and about. Without having their cars, Darren Cheney and Russell Gray showed up for fun. Both very cool guys. You have been super patient and very kind to look at that past couple of minutes of people. So how about now for some specially picked cars for your enjoyment, and then the final conclusion. So here we go. I do hope you enjoyed this special look at the Cooper Car Show from September of 2024. Cool cars and trucks, great people, and a wonderful time. Hey, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.